This is BAJ again, and we are doing a review on this. This is the Ozark Trail 11, I think, 11 multi-tool. 11 thing multi-tool. Excuse me if I'm not talking and drinking tea. So, yeah, it's a nice tool. I own one. I think I'm getting my brother Josiah one, and I don't know though. And I'm just going to show you a couple hints, what it has, what it could have that would make it better, and just my opinion. Right now I'm getting all the tools out because it is kind of a pain to have them all out at once. Okay, almost there. And yeah, this is what you get. You get needle nose pliers, as most multi-tools come with. I don't know what these things do, I forget. Then wire cutters in the bottom. And then I'm going to start from one side and work my way to the other. Right now I'm going to close the other side. Yeah. So, first things first is I don't know, I think it's like 2.5. Let me measure. It's something around like 2.5, maybe 3 inches. Let's see. Yep, 2.5 inches. This blade is 2.5 inches. The sharpness on it when you first get it is okay, but yes, it will. If you use it every single day like I do, it will dull out within like the month. So you do need a sharpener, or you could just get a stone. I'll probably show a couple ways next time I have the opportunity. I'll show you a couple ways to sharpen your knife. Sorry, my throat's wicked bad. It hurts. So, yeah. I'm going, and this thing is a nice blade. Next one is the big headed screwdriver, the bigger one with the little, isn't it a can opener? I think it's either a can opener or a bottle opener, because there's one of each on this. Anyways, you'll probably find it out. Someone's gonna know. So if you know, please put it in the comments so I can find out for myself. Next thing, this. Oh my god, I don't know what this is. I forget. Oh my god, I should know this one, but I don't. It's really tiny. It's like a tiny screwdriver, but it wouldn't go into anything. Like, it's so tiny, I don't even know. So, I don't know. But I use it when I'm like like, if I need a really small hole in something, I'll use it. Next thing is this, like, maybe like a 1-inch knife. I don't even call it a knife, because it's not even sharp. When you first get it, you can literally just put your finger on it and apply pressure on it, and you won't get a little cut unless I'm correct in reading. No. Well, so yeah, it's tiny. I don't know one person that would have a lot of use for this. Why not just use the bigger knife, unless you're doing like something tiny. Last thing, I've only seen a couple of the things that have these. It's a saw. Aaron burnt the shit out of these. Literally, he just uses it for everything instead of the fine edge, and it's wicked irritating. So, yep, there's one of those. I showed you the pliers and stuff. Then here's the serrated edge, the fully serrated blade. Like, it's fully serrated throughout the whole thing. So, yeah, nothing much to talk about it. Okay, I found out which one's which. This thing is the can opener. The other one I showed you is a bottle opener. The last two tools I think I have for you are your standard Phillips screwdriver. I don't know what one. I'm probably gonna post a video right after this. Why is it called a Phillips screwdriver? If really you use a standard screwdriver for everything. You use one of these for everything. So why isn't this one just called a standard and the other one called a Phillips? Actually, I don't think I'm gonna make a video because I just can picture the comments on that if I get any. Last thing is I think this is a screwdriver too. And another hint I have for people that are going to buy this, watch out because this I got for like 10 bucks with a case. It comes with a case. I don't know what my case is now, but it comes with a case. But my friend's dad went there and he said it rose up like 5 bucks. So now it's like 15 last time he checked. Oh, my tea's getting cold. So yeah. Another thing is there's a reason they have these things right here. It's so that you can get a hex wrench and you can tighten them, like, because they're all locked. Like, I don't know if you can hear this, but they all lock together. So, if you don't have it locked, it'll, like, fling open and everywhere. So, yeah, you have to do that every once in a while. I have to do mine soon. I don't know where I need to get a new set of hex wrenches. So, yeah. I think, I don't know if I'm going to do this, but I think I might be making a video about tea, only because I'm really bored right now. So I'll probably upload this video, and then right after I'm going to upload another video about tea. Because, why not? Why not tea? Oh, and another thing is, if you have to choose between this one and another, like a switchblade, don't choose this one for a self-defense. Like, I have my self-defense. It's not on me right now because I'm in my house. But usually I'll have a self-defense, my self-defense one, switchblade, and this thing. This one I use for holding on, like for like if I need tools, because only my brother has a knife. My sister doesn't know where hers is. Actually, no, my mom has a knife. Everyone in my family has a knife I sleep with every single night. I gave my brother one like a week ago, Josiah. A week ago, a week ago. Okay, that song's stuck in my head for like every single time. Ever since a week ago, everyone starts singing that song. So everyone in my family has one, and I think I'm giving this one either to Aaron. It depends what I'm getting for Christmas, or like what I'm getting for presents. Because if I don't get a knife or something like weaponish, I'm not gonna give this to Aaron because I really do like this knife. It's a really nice, old, reliable, made by Ozark Trail. Nice grip on it and aluminum. So stainless steel on what you need to have stainless steel. So yeah, if you have the money for this and you have the patience, and if you have the money to get a sharpener for it and a hex wrench for it, I think you should get it. It's a perfect knife. I have it on me all the time. I have a knife on me all the time because I'm allowed to. Why not? So I hope you get one of these knives, a good knife that will last you a long time. Ozark Trail makes really good ones, like perfect knives. I want another one. I'm just waiting to go have the money to get one. So yeah. So goodbye.